This is about a job for a nut for the lead screw for the milling machine, and just to sketch a plan on the job. This is a rough sketch of the job I'm about to start before I would draw up some sort of a plan. I usually draw up a plan of whatever job I'm about to do. I have it drawn up. I move a lot of this stuff. And this is a handy little tool. For doing your plans. It's not really an expensive one, but it does the job. Pencils. These are coloured pencils. And this is the plan in question. Nut for the lead screw for the milling machine. This is the frontal view. Square view. The side view. Nut to size. I like to draw up a plan that keeps you right every step of the way. For other jobs, I have done plans that I have made. This was for the rise and fall table that I made for the lathe. Different jobs. Back plates for 3 and 4 jaw chucks. 5-inch turntable. I have quite a few base plate, for a sleeve, steel sleeve. And it is handy to keep, pardon me, plans of a job you're about to do. Now this is the nut in question. It is made out of brass, the old one, but the one I am going to make will be out of steel. And this is the lead screw in question. And I will make a tape of making the nut. And I am Benny Marner. Go to my website. I have a load of tips. Thank you for watching.